welcome. Today, we're gonna move quickly. We're gonna warm up our bodies, really raise our heart rate, hopefully boost mood and energy. Let's get started. Just a standing march. Slow to begin. I am going to move with pace. See if we can't build a little bit of a sweat today. Slow down whenever you need to. Take a rest, take a break, but stick with me. There's no better way to boost mood and energy than some quick, fast-paced movements. And we want to do it so that we can climb stairs with ease, get out for evening walks with real trust and confidence that we can go for miles and miles. Steady, strong session today. If you're feeling it already, let's just bring a little bounce into that march. We can move mindfully when we're going quickly. Just notice. It's a great opportunity to watch the monkey mind. I can't do this, it's too hard. Nonsense. Whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. Just notice, connect your breath to the movement, bring that real can-do attitude in. The little engine that could today. I think I can. Okay, let's just step to the side, swing those arms across and up. As I say, maybe, you know what, I just needed something slow today. Hey, as long as you're moving, that's the most important thing. You choose your own adventure. You know what's best for you. But if it starts to feel right with each movement, begin to pick it up. You got this. Feel that in the shoulders, the upper back. Wow, the mobility you're creating. Tap that toe with intention. Especially during the challenge, the difficulty, when we can bring that level of presence in and just notice, oh wait, I'm not my mind, I'm not my thoughts. You got it. All right, yes. Let's step out now. Arms come up. Slowly, if that's right, whenever it's ready, whenever you're ready. Swing those arms way up high, way back. Tap that toe out. See if I can't get a little out of breath in this session. Maybe it'll help me stop talking. But the feel-good chemicals will be flowing, and that makes me extra chatty. It does work. Oh. Head up, come on, let's go. Tap it out. One more. Beautiful. Lateral movements. Up on the balls of your feet. Real athletic-like. There's an athlete in each of us. We don't have to be world class. Just about moving, bending, twisting, walking with efficiency. When you come to the edge, just squat down just a little bit. If you like, you can go a little quicker. Don't trip on any pine cones. Throw a pine cone at you. Yeah. Okay. Go to your wall, chair, anything. I got a rock. We're gonna come into mountain climbers. I love this movement. It is so great for so many things. The higher up you are, the easier to be. The lower down to the ground you go, the more challenging. Choose what's best for you. Just bring your hands down. Begin to drive your knee towards your chest. Slow to start. Do your very best. This is a great one for watching the mind, Just notice, drive that knee up. Whenever you're ready, let's go a little quicker. Try to keep your back flat, engage the core. There's a lot going on. You got it. Come on. I think I can. 3, 2, 1. And come on up. Got a little slippery there. Let's twist. Keep those arms up nice and high. Breathe in and let it go. When we're moving quickly, we connect to our breath. How much more quickly we recover. Gain that present moment awareness. Really big twist. Head up. You got it. Okay. We got it here. Gentle squat. Bring your hands into prayer. Notice when your hands touch. Feel that sensation. It is incredible. We bring real focus and attention to everything we do. Feel your hands. Takes the attention off the legs. Don't squat too deep yet, but do it relatively quickly. Swing those arms back. Feel it when you rise up tall. Just go. Can you gain a moment of stillness in the mind? No mind for just a moment. Couple more. Yeah. Coming back to a standing march. But we're bringing a little skip in. My youngest and I were watching a show last night. And the mother started to skip in the show. And oh, was she happy. She's like, why do we stop skipping? I was like, because it looks stupid. It's a valid point. But how often do we stop doing things because of what other people might think? When there's just a real joy to skipping around. Oh, you cannot be unhappy when you're skipping. Do your best here. Come on. Head up. Breathe into it. Move around your space. Bring that childlike quality into your movements, into everything you do today. Children have so much to teach us. Maybe move backwards a little bit. To the side. Smile. We won't be moving for much longer in today's session. Brilliant. Ooh, shake it all out. One last movement. Choose your own adventure here. We were already doing a step jack. If you want to slow things down, I am coming in to a traditional jumping jack. One of my most favorite movements. Simple, certainly not easy. The bouncing is so great for continuing to build bone density. I don't need to tell you all that stuff. Just move in whatever way that works for you. Maybe pick a spot. Breathe. Just notice. Can you go just a little quicker? Last movement for this session. You got it. Well done. Slow it down. Oh, shake everything out. Oh, yes. Now, really focus on your breathing. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Bring your hands to your heart. Stand tall. Connect to your breath. Feel the beating of your heart. Just notice. Maybe a bit of gratitude. How often do we thank our heart for doing its job? We don't beat our heart. It just does it for us. What a blessing. Just notice, and let's just stand in immense gratitude for these beautiful bodies. How fortunate we are to be alive today, to breathe another breath, for our heart to beat another beat. Just notice and be. Shake it all out. Well done. I hope you feel as grand as I do now. Have the most glorious day. Keep moving throughout your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.